Why is there two things in here? I'm about to freak out, man. What the frick? What is this? Ah! What is going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And this is the most exciting video of the year so far. This is an unboxing of a brand new phone. A little bit of a delayed video. Had some technical difficulties, but here it is on release day. Oh boy. I'm excited. I'm anxious. I've been using my Pixel 6a, and I know I'm horrible at follow-up videos. But let me just say the Pixel 6a, I have no reason to not use it. It is a phone I've been using since it came out, and I use it all the freaking time. I love this phone. And for the price, it's hard to beat. So I wish it charged a little bit faster than just the 20 watts that it does charge. So hopefully this phone does that. And I am super excited because I do not know exactly what is in here. I know that they asked for my address, and I have a pretty good idea of what it is. But oh man. Let's rip the Band-Aid off. Oh my, it's multiple parts. Okay. Okay, so that was just letting me know that I can't talk about it until officially releases. Why is there two things in here? Dude, I'm about to freak out, man. What the frick? All right. So, the Pixel Collection. What? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, you get to see my messy room. Don't look at my messy room. Just don't. We hope that you love your limited edition Pixel kit. What is this? Ah! In the watch. Dude. Okay. If you do not follow me on... Look at my face, all right? If you do not... even though it's ugly, look at it. If you do not follow me on social media, I have been posting about this watch and how I've been wanting this watch to come out for years. Just go through my Twitter posts, and I say it all the time. It's here! It's here! Okay, I truly hope that this watch is everything that I've hoped it would be if it ever came into my hands. And this might hopefully collect dust. It's an older watch. I got it back when I worked for Sprint, and I got a half off, a really good deal on it. It's an older watch now, but it still does everything I need a watch to do. And now we have the new one. I'm so excited. Ah, all right. So in here, if it will give it to me, it doesn't want to give it to me. What is going on? Oh, it's just in there really well. We have the phone, which is literally adhesive to the back. Okay, whatever. It's big. It's big. I about broke the... Oh boy. I'm just too excited right now. So, here it is. Next to the Pixel 6a. Okay, so not much bigger, but a little bit, which is good because I have fallen in love with the size of this phone. Hey, this one feels pretty good too. All right, so we have our volume, our power, our camera and flash. We have our something up here, maybe, no. Pinhole for microphone or something. We have our SIM card dual, or tray, so we're going to definitely be swapping that out. We've got our Type-C port and our speaker and microphone. And, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I can't believe they sent me a freaking watch. That is so exciting. Now, I don't want to throw something away, but I don't think there's anything else in here. Okay. This is the greatest day ever. All right. So in here is probably the stuff that you need to actually charge it and make it all work. So, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's LTE. I have an LTE watch right now. I'm gonna be calling my carrier, and I'm gonna be getting that LTE service switched over. Oh. All right, nothing else in here. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Pixel 7 Pro, 5G millimeter wave, and sub 6.7 inch screen, 128 gigs of storage. I would probably get more than 128 gigs if I were you, because I usually get 256 on my phones. But that being said, every day I'm hustle real hard. Anyways, storage. So yeah, there you go. I mean, English is so hard right now. Oh my god, my mind is racing so fast. Yeah, so I did delete a couple things that weren't needed anymore, but not that I had to, or I think I was at like 44 gigs used. So it's totally doable. Oh my gosh. Okay, so in here, Team Pixel. Yes. Oh, we are definitely 100% Team Pixel. We've got our charging cord and our little adapter, so we can plug up like a USB mouse or gamepad or something. And then in here, we have our SIM card ejector tool, which I was looking for. I don't know why. I can never find one of these when I need one. All right, I want to check out this watch. Everything else is exciting and cool. Having a watch has meant so much to me because, like, being at work and my phone buzzing in my pocket, I'm not pulling my phone out of my pocket, but I will quickly glance at my watch to see what's... And you know what? I'll glance at my watch to see what's going on. So what is in this bad boy? So we've got the band. Ooh, to switch out the band? That's cool. Or is it just an extra one or a longer one? I don't know. We've got the charging thingy, which we will use. It's Type-C. It is not USB-A. And then we have like stuff that I'm probably never going to read. I don't know. I might get really bored one day and just be tickle pink that I have a watch from Google and actually check it out. Oh, okay, that's nothing. I thought that would be like the charging base or something. They sent me the LTE version, and I'm just so incredibly thankful. Oh my gosh. How did I get into the position I'm in right now? I don't even know. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness right here. Gotta maybe try to get a thumbnail. I don't know. I might use that. I might not. That's a pretty good thumbnail right there. Now, I'm such a nerd. I've got to figure out how fast this thing charges. How fast does it charge? Turn on. 64%. 18. Okay, it dropped down, so it's going to be ramping up, hopefully. 18, 19, 22. Oh, it's already better than the 6A. Okay, calm down. Okay, so the realization has calmed down just a bit. Fun fact, I had the SIM card in my Fold 4, and I love that phone. But the way I ordered it was actually wrong, they said. So they made me send the phone back, and then they shipped me a new one. Because I ordered it online, and there was something I didn't check or do or something. I don't know. But they were really cool about it, and they let me just send the old one back. And well, unfortunate. Fold's an amazing phone, and just it's different, you know? Like, you're used to what you've had for years, and the Fold just kind of just throws a wrench in it and makes it all different and really unique and really cool. So, welcome to your Pixel. Get started. All right, let's plug up this. Plug up this. It's not so cool. So clean. So clean. Look at that. It's got like a little slit here. And then a little hole. So probably like a microphone or something. It's got a scroll wheel. A little hole for like a microphone or something. And then a button. It's so elegant and... I just love it. Nest is releasing the new Nest Wi-Fi things. And I'm still using the old Google Wi-Fi pucks from like 2014 or 15 or something. I don't remember. But it's been forever. I'm still using them. So I will definitely be upgrading my system to the new Nest points. But they're a little expensive. So $199 for one and $299 for two of them. So I will be getting one. I'm so excited. It's so cool. It's here. It's freaking here. You know, most of the time I don't do this. Most of the time I do not do this. But today we're going to go ahead and copy. So next. No, don't try to start up my Pixel Watch. Copy. Thumbprint. And there we go. That's pretty effortless and pretty cool. I like it. I don't normally do that. I like to set things up as brand new and not go through all the hassle. But I kind of like the apps that I have installed on here. They're that like minimalistic, like the apps I need to use the most. So I do go through quite a few Android phones. Every time Google releases a new Pixel, they send it to me, which I'm incredibly thankful for. But that kind of creates a problem where if I want to have apps for a long time on my phone, like all my banking apps or all of my like two-step authentication and stuff like that, I typically don't get a new iPhone. Like my very first iPhone was the X because I worked for Sprint and they were like, you have to have Sprint service. And I already had an Android phone in my pocket. And I was like, I don't want to have a second Android phone in my pocket. So I got an iPhone. And then the battery on it was completely shot. So I had an option between paying to have the battery replaced or just getting a new phone. So I got a 12 Pro Max and it still works perfectly fine. I don't really have a... Yes, SMS messages for sure. Copy. Sweet. Oh, yes. Let's for sure set up this fingerprint. Start. Okay, cool. That was pretty effortless. All four fingers that I wanted to... Oh, set up face unlock. There's definitely times I have like gloves or something on. Oh, I wasn't following the instructions on the screen. Okay, so now it wants me to install a Google Pixel Watch app. Let's go. We're finally getting to the watch part of this. Oh, but it's got so many things to move over that on your phone, download the app. Hey, it's all done. So now we can disconnect. Sorry, Pixel 6a, you're going on the shelf. I wonder what's different. So, I mean, I gotta wait for my phone to download this app so I could set this up. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, it's if you have a little wrist. If you have a cute little wrist, that's cool. That's cool. All right, let's see. Do I need that one? All right, I have a tiny, tiny wrist. Okay. It wraps around all the way to there. So, oh wait, that says L. And that says, a large and small. Oh, that's definitely cool. How effortless that was. Let's see. Is this more for me? Oh, do you want it to go under that? Oh my gosh. I need this small apparently. Because look, it ends like right there versus wrapping all the way to the front. So, well, that's really cool that they included that. That's awesome. And now we just wait. Okay, this needs to hurry up because it's making the video so much longer and I have more editing to do. Yes, I love identifying the music around me. It's such a cool feature. And always on display, yes, I do love that. When my phone's sitting on the table, I can just glance and see. And there we go. Our new phone is ready for us. Hey, it's installing, finally. Jeez. All right, open. Well, it's a much bigger phone in your hands. Yeah. Continue. No. I agree. Aha, it matches up. They weren't kidding. This could take a minute. They should have said this will take a minute or two. Welcome to your new Pixel Watch. Oh, put on your watch. So I was doing it the right way. All right, so we've got it the way that they want us to put it on. It literally has a little video that shows you how it's supposed to be put on. So it goes up and over and under. I already did the band switching, so talk to your watch. All right, so we put in the pin. Oh, there's like recommended apps too, so that's cool. Easy voice recorder, Run, Hide, Hike, MyFitness7, golfing, Adidas, Spotify. I'd definitely be putting Spotify and Google Keep on there. All right, so for now, we're gonna just leave the watch the way it is. Oh, cool. Okay, so we've got the little knob thing that we turn. Switch to recent apps. That's going to be that button on the top above it. It's going to be the speaker, and it's going to be the microphone. And then track workouts and stuff. That's on the back. Very, very cool. Okay. Well, this was just the unboxing. I have a lot to play with and figure out, and have a long video to edit. I'm incredibly grateful, and to the people that are responsible for sending me this watch, thank you so much. It means the world to me. So there we go. It's starting up. It's got an update too. So, it's probably what it's doing right now. I actually really do want to just interact with it before I end this video. All right, so it asked me to put my pin in when it started up. It's booting up. Oh, it looks so nice. I'm excited. I've had this watch since like 2018, I think. And I worked in automotive for a long time, and oils and grease and stuff. I don't right now. Hey, why not? Let's start with swipes. Swipe up. Cool. Access notifications from the watch base. Swipe down for quick settings. Ooh, like your battery and stuff. So what does this do? You can swipe from left edge on apps, tiles, and more. Some word about tiles. Tiles are accessed from watch face and show helpful info from your... Swipe left to right to cycle through your tiles. Weather. Now let's learn about the two buttons. Press the crown, which takes you back to the watch face. You can return to watch face at any time. From the watch face, press the crown for apps. Cool. Press the side button to go to your recently apps. So there we go. There's all the recent apps. You can now access recent apps from anywhere. To use your last used app, double press the side button. To talk to your assistant, press and hold the side button. To access pay, double press the crown. To restart, turn off, and send SOS, press and hold the crown for 3 seconds. Touch and hold the watch face to customize. And there we go. That is really, really cool. I'm super excited. If you are super excited as well, give the video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, please make absolute sure you're following me on social media, such as Instagram and Twitter. Those are the places I'm the most active. Subscribe with notifications turned on. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.